We are here now in Hungry Steak. We celebrate the birthday of my princess today with my deli, eating deli. Me and my princess here. Okay, this is the place. Very nice place. Hi, baby love. Smile. The birthday girl. Happy birthday. The birthday. What you want, King?
So I don't have to. Before it gets cold.
Yeah.
I thought you got the chicken.
Chicken honey glaze.